There we go, guys. Shiny? Why not? We're on Mirage Island, guys. I don't need to tell you about this. It's absolutely incredible, guys. Didn't think I could actually get on it. Found a few tutorials, and here I am. Mirage Island. Shiny, why not? Because you know what? You can't leave the island without getting a shiny on it. Alright, guys, I'm going to put this down on the working mat. And, oh, we're being greeted here. Got ourselves Shiny Quagsire. Shane saying hi to his shiny boy. Looking good in that purple. Pokemon Emerald, guys. That's what we do. Authentic cart. Alright, let's go ahead and catch this guy. Just trying to think. I guess I'll make... you know what? We're on Mirage Island. Let's just show the catch. I've never actually caught a Wynaut before like this. It's a little bit too powerful. What else do we have? Chop him down with a Kecleon a little. Oh, well. Alright, well, I guess I will throw balls at him. Hopefully he's nice to me. Shadow Tag. There you go, guys. Think I can catch a level 45 Wynaut? Something tells me this is going to be very annoying. But hey, we're going to do what we got to do. What? Just like that? We caught him? Shiny Wynaut? Mirage Island? Holy crap. So yeah, let's talk about this for a second. What did I do to get on this island? Since I've got a dead clock on this game, I was able to RNG a Pokemon with a PID that has the last 4 numbers as 0. No, time's not advancing, I guess it starts at 0, so that makes sense. So I RNG'd that. There's many tutorials on that. I'll let you look that up on the YouTubes or online on the Googles, whatever. After I got that, I actually went for a Kecleon because it was a stationary, and I guess that was supposedly the easiest way to do it. Got that Kecleon, saw the old man at Pacific Log with those islands, and he said, hey, I can see Mirage Island. Okay, so I went over to Mirage Island. Here I am. I'm going to get me a rare berry, and got myself a shiny Wynaut. So, yeah. Sorry for all that talking, but, you know, I just wanted to kind of, no nicknames, that's how we do. And so this was a little bit more difficult. I'm going to explain that, too. I had to use a synchronizer. Here's my Mew that I got on Faraway Island. I warped there using my action replay, but I did all the work to get Mew. Look at that. Look. Ultra Ball, guys. No Master Balls, Ultra Balls. That was not so hard. But brave nature. So now I got my synchronizer. Used him to make it so I had a very early frame for this Wynaut. You'll notice. Brave nature. Well, you just saw the catch, so I don't need to tell you that. Annoying Shadow Tag. Here's the moves, or not the moves, third of the moves. Not too bad, those are actually pretty cool moves. Alright. But here's the EVs, you can turn those into IVs. From there you can use Pokefinder, RNGreporter, and take my trainer ID and secret ID, which is all in my description, plus the IVs that you figured out. And figure out that this thing aligns with frame 3081. So yeah, there we go, guys. Shiny Wynaut from Mirage Island. And wait a second, does it say that? Oh, boo! It says Route 130. Okay, well, hey, you can't win them all, right? Well, yeah, let's take a stroll, right? Let's take a stroll around the island. So there's that fancy berry. Oh, I'm getting a call here. Thank you, Winston. Is that Rich Boy Winston? Freaking Rich Boy Winston. There's the Leche Berry. Here, let's take a look at that. Yeah, we're not going to pick it right now. I'll save that for myself. So, but yeah, this is Mirage Island, guys. I'll just walk around it. Sorry about the length of this video, but hey, I'm here. Might as well do some recording. Yep, there's my rappel, and yeah, so here we are, Mirage Island. Hopefully enjoyed. Over and out. Peace.